welcome back to the channel. For this episode, we're going to be unboxing this Ford Courier pickup that I bought, and I did the What Did You Buy Wednesday on it not too long back. So you probably either saw or were somewhere in the middle of the Rustic Road Rusted Challenger. That was the first vehicle I ever rusted out. It's right up here behind me in the case. I enjoyed that so much that I'm going to do another one. I also really enjoyed working on it with Wyatt. So this is a kit that I built as a kid. I had a lot of fun with it. I made it about the color of the Mustang, a tan Mustang we built together last year. And so the idea behind this build is I'm going to try to do another rusted build. I'm going to try to do a little bit better on this one. I've been watching Sparky's Auto Salvage again, and I know what I did wrong with my Challenger. So we're going to make some corrections, and we're going to do another rusted build. So this is what we're unboxing. It's an AMT kit. If you want to look it up, it's kit number 6690 right there. And then there's some photos of what you can do with the truck. Mine's going to get rusted. I don't know how badly rusted it's going to get. I guess it depends on how much I get moved while I'm doing the build. So we'll work on this and get it worked in there at some point. It's a front engine, rear wheel drive. It's got a 2.3 4-cylinder, and it's got a 4-speed manual. So we won't do a real big technical build on it because the rusted builds don't need to be all that technical. It's just mainly just a fun build that I can do with Wyatt. Everything is loose in here. I've not unboxed it. It just came loose, if you remember. So it's got your glass. It's got your, I guess it's got an optional rear window. And then it's got the sunroof you can put in it. The only thing that's not out of the package is the chrome. We'll get a look at that here in a second. I'm going to take everything out and just set it over here. We'll go through it a little bit at a time here. Looks like it's going to be a fun build. It looks like somebody was going to build it. The tires are scuffed. Okay. Well, we got this little package here. This looks like the little chain things that go on the tailgate. You got some shock absorbers, and I don't know what these are. Looks like part of the dash for it. Probably your radiator housing. Here's the tires. And they, like I said, they've been scuffed. I don't know if you can see it or not, but their tread is scuffed a little bit. So somebody was planning to build this. See that middle one? These are Goodyear Wrangler. Goodyear Wrangler ST. Well, anyways. Got a couple of the metal axles. So here's your oh, it's got some decals with it. Probably won't be using those. Not a big decal person. So it's a 77 Ford Courier. There's a little bit of a write-up about it. This instruction manual has been opened up and gone through because it's not folded correctly. But there you go. A little bit of a look at it. It's kind of hard to see what I'm doing. I hope I'm centered to the camera. I just got it up in front of me. And then this is your write-up, another little write-up there, and then some instructions about it. I think this will be a fun little project for me to do with Wyatt. We'll glue it together and use some Rust-Oleum on. I love the Rust-Oleum paints, and they're perfect for this rusting. Rust-Oleum for rusting. So get into the chrome here. I watched one of Brian's videos and learned how to speckle the chrome, make it look dirtied up and sort of maybe a little rust pitted. So we'll do that. Probably do that with everything right on the tree, just as it sits. I ain't figured out which rims I'll use yet. Maybe I'll let Wyatt pick. So I guess I didn't really go through it, did I? A little distracted. There's your front grille, your bumpers. These are your, it looks like your standard rims, and these are probably your aftermarket. Like I said, I'll let Wyatt pick which rims we're going to use. Your mirrors, these are steps. These steps probably won't go on because it's going to be a beat up truck. Oh, let's see. I guess we'll grab whatever's on top. I already did the glass. That's the tonneau cover. Little gas tank. I think a trailer hitch and your front suspension. Maybe I'll throw the trailer hitch on it. Who knows? Boy, they just kind of threw it in the box when they opened it. Part of your sideboards or your bed there, the bottom of the bed. There must be another one over here that goes, here we go. Yeah, I think somebody was planning to build this because they took it apart. Didn't really do a very good job putting it back in the packaging, but like I said, when I did the introduction to it, the price was right. So there's your little interior tub. Doesn't have much raised detail on the door panels, but that's okay. And then it looks like probably the bottom is the undercarriage portion. Yeah. I think this is the only thing on here usable is the exhaust portion. This looks like exhaust, but it's just part of the tree. Oh, and you got a CB radio. There's your tailgate, your side fenders there, your inner rims. There's your seat, radiator, your steering wheel. Wow. This was listed as a full kit, but it does not have the engine block with it. Got this piece, so we'll paint that up, toss it in on the seat. I guess it's going to be built without an engine. That's okay. A little disappointing, but that's okay. This is your front, where your front bumper fits on. Some suspension. We'll do what we can with it. Rear axle, leaf springs. I think this is the dash portion, like the little gauge cluster. Your inner fender wells for the front. Oh, look at that. It says Ertl. That's cool. Yeah, so I guess this one's going to have no engine. I think I'll still put the exhaust on it, though. Maybe we'll heat it up and bend it down. There's your frame. There's that. Then you got the cab. I always do the kind of the bodies last on my unboxings. Then your little hood there. It's not doesn't sit perfect right now because your little supports are in there, but once those are clipped out, it'll sit right in there nice. So I haven't figured out what I'm gonna fully do with this yet. Meaning like, am I gonna drill it and scuff it, make it look like it's got um, like rusted through, or I don't know, maybe we'll remove a door. I don't know. I'm gonna let Wyatt kind of run the build. I'll let him pick the color that he wants, and we'll of course I'll help him with the gluing, and you probably saw that he helped me with the paint on the Challenger. So mainly he's going to help with the paint, and I'm going to put it together. But it's still fun. It's fun to think about. So that's that unboxing. Uh, Followed along to the end, I appreciate it. If you give me a subscribe or toss me a thumbs up, toss me a comment. Kind of wish you had come through with the engine, but sometimes that's what you get when you buy them used and also out of the package. So till we see each other again, everyone out there be safe and everyone be blessed. Thank you for watching.